everybody, this is Robert the Tool Junkie. And you remember in high school there was always that one popular kid. Always wanted to be that kid, but it just wasn't me. Today I'm here to show you a popular wrench set. Well, it's actually pliers. But this is one of Knipex's most popular sets, and we're going to see why in a second. This particular one is number 001961 V01. They call it their TwinGrip plastic dip pliers set. And for your imperial measurements, it's a 6, 8, and 10. But when we open it up, you're going to see they also come in millimeter sizes. So let's take a look at this. It comes in a really nice pouch. I mean, really nice. It's got a lot of heavy Velcro here, so it's going to stay shut. You open it up. It's got this here to cover everything up. And you can see it's 150, 200, and 250 millimeters. So that gives you an idea of what it is in metric size. And these are their TwinGrip pliers. And if we look at the box, they tell us that the 150 or the 6-inch is a wrench size of 3 to 16 millimeters. If we look at this one here, this is the 200 millimeter or the 8-inch. This one will do a wrench size of 4 to 22 millimeters. And if we do the 250 millimeter or the 10-inch wrench, that will handle a 5 to 27 millimeter fastener. So it's a pair of pliers. But what's interesting is it's their special TwinGrip, and this is something I really like. There's holes in the end so you can come straight at a fastener or rod or something else. You don't have to do it at 90 degrees. So you have a second option here, along with the way the jaws are set up. They're very serrated, so obviously it's not for finished work, but it's great for grabbing your fastener. And if you look, they have a very unique jaw set here. So when it grabs a fastener, you can grab it on the flat part or on the points. We've shown that in other videos as well. Very nice, very universal that way. Also has the push button here. When you push that, it opens up to a bigger size for you. And that's how you get to the larger size. So like any plier, it's the two different sizes. But what's unique again is the fact that the jaws are offset in the way that they are. They're not parallel. So as you open up, they'll stay parallel here rather than two parallel jaws when it's closed, and when they open it's more like a V. This stays nice and parallel to the fastener as you open it if you're on the right size. Also gives you, like I said, the additional there. So again, that was the 8-inch. Let's take a look at the 10-inch here. Same idea, same jaw set, and you can see there's multiple different ways that it can grab your fastener here. And same thing with the button, opens up to the bigger size as well, so you can really get some leverage on a big fastener. So what's so unique about this set is it has all three of them in one in this nice pouch, which is super nice. So when you fold that up correctly at the end of the night, it stays nice and neat in your toolbox, and all of them are where they need to be. Keeps them together, so when you need a plier, you grab this, it's got all three sizes. You don't have to worry about it when you're going to do what you need to do. And if you could do us a huge favor, if you could like and subscribe this video, we'd appreciate it. We're trying to do more videos to show more visualization of how these tools work and what they look like. Also, leave us a comment. Let me know, do you use these TwinGrip pliers? How have they worked out for you? Do you like the additional jaws the way they work? Also, there's going to be a link, so if you'd like to buy this popular set yourself, you can go right to Haus of Tools and buy it from this video. Until then, we'll see you on the next video. Keep on working.